In this video, I'm going to show you how to export transparent video in Adobe Premiere Pro. For this tutorial, I am taking my social media lower third template. I will edit and export it as a transparent video clip. Create sequence and place template on the timeline. Here you can see, this template has no background. Let's edit the template. Now I am going to export it as a transparent video clip. Now go to File, Export, Media. Here in Export Settings, select Format QuickTime. In Video Codec, select Apple ProRes 4444. Click on Match Source. Select Render at maximum depth. For depth, select 16 bits per channel plus alpha. Also select Use maximum render quality. Give output file name and its path. Now export it. Now here you can see a message, your video exported successfully. Now let's check whether it exported as a transparent video clip or not. Now import the exported clip. I am taking a new sequence. Place any video or image on the timeline. Now place exported video clip at the top of the image. Here you can see it's a transparent video clip. In this way, you can export transparent video clips. That's it. Thanks for watching.